Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off USB storage access for WhatsApp. This helps protect your privacy and keeps your chat safe when connecting your phone to a computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone, not WhatsApp itself. Step 2. Scroll down and find Apps or App Management depending on your device. Step 3. Now scroll through the app list and tap on WhatsApp. Step 4. Look for Permissions or go to Storage and Cache if your phone groups it there. Step 5. If you see storage listed under Permissions, tap it and change it to Deny or Don't Allow. This will block WhatsApp from accessing internal or USB storage. Bonus tip. Make sure developer mode and USB debugging are turned off if you're concerned about third-party access while charging your phone through USB. And that's how to turn off USB storage access for WhatsApp. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick privacy tips. See you next time!